Volvo announces a 1.25 billion factory in Slovakia to produce 250,000 EVs per year. This is absolutely incredible, and that's why I really want to share this. Volvo announced on Friday that it will build a third European plant in Slovakia. The construction of the 1.2 billion factory is planned to start in 2023, with equipment and production lines installed during 2024 and the series production in 2026. The facility is designed to produce up to 250,000 cars per year and allows to further expansion of plans in the future, the automaker said. Now, by picking Slovakia as the location for its new plant, Volvo Cars created a European triangle of manufacturing covering its largest sales region, complementing the Jens plant in Western European and in Torslanda plant in Sweden, Northern Europe. And we've got a quote from Volvo's management themselves, and I quote, "The new state-of-the-art plant will be climate neutral and build only electric vehicles, underpinning the company's ambition to become fully electric by 2030 and climate neutral by 2040, and to continue expanding its global production capacity. Volvo Cars has an ambition to move forward annual sales of 1.2 million cars by mid-decade, which is aimed to meet with a global manufacturing footprint spanning Europe and the US and Asia." So Volvo has said they have a clear focus on becoming a pure electric mobility brand by 2030, which is in line with the purpose said by Jim Rowan, Chief Executive Officer at Volvo Cars. Expansion in Europe, our latest sales region, is crucial to our shift to electrification and to continue growth. I'm very pleased to expand our Volvo Cars production footprint in Slovakia and look forward to welcoming new colleagues and partners on the journey ahead. I appreciate that Volvo Cars have always decided to build its new plant in Slovakia. The Volvo Cars plant is important for us since it will produce and improve the social and economic situation in the region and produce only electric vehicles, which provide Slovak automotive industry with a competitive perspective in the new ecological era, said the Prime Minister of Slovakia Republic. Now, as for the location, Kosice offers a good logistics and transport link to the rest of Europe and access good supplier base. The incentive offers by Slovak government have been a key factor in the decision to locate a plant in Kosice. We look forward to welcoming new members to the Volvo Cars Kosice team and the global Volvo Cars family, as well as establishing new collaboration and partnerships in the region. This was shared by Javier Varela, Chief Operating Officer at Volvo Cars. It will be a modern workplace in state-of-the-art plant that's centered around sustainability and safety. The establishment of the Kosice plant represents the first new European factory or manufacturing sites of Volvo vehicles for almost 60 years. The Torslanda plant was opened in 1964, while the Gent factory followed a year later. Together, these factories can produce 600,000 cars per year. We also got some more information on this. Volvo will host a live webcast to mark the announcement with participation by the government of Slovak Republic. So it seems like this webcast have already taken place, so the information is already out there. Now, the automaker sold a total of 45,000 vehicles in May, a decrease of 28.3% year over year. Although the plug-in hybrid declined 7.8% from 2021, the pure electric models rose 52.2% from 2,399 to 3,652 units. Now, sales of recharged models represent 33.6% of the total sales, plus 10% year over year, and the shares of the pure electric vehicle remains 7.9%. Demand for the company's cars remains strong, especially for a recharge line of electric vehicles, Volvo said. So this was my latest information on Volvo. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching until the end. Subscribe to see more, and of course I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.